Enhance mobile ad hoc network dictation and localization system. I'm a Jain Minal Mahendra Kumar. Co-author is Dr. Khushbu and Dr. Arun Vaishnav. Uh, Introduction. This aims to improve the upon current approaches. Therefore, priority must be given to new routing algorithm based on the existing set of routing algorithms such as the DSR, AODV routing, DSDV, and TOR algorithm, which resolve all the issue and provide the network for better efficiency. Predictive analytics based on the historical movement pattern and contextual data. Uh, its employees are predictive modeling of forecast where nodes may move. Machine learning enhance the precision of the evaluating node status. The system employ reinforcement learning to enhance decision making when attempting to restore the communication with potentially missing nodes. Hybrid localization techniques uh, employs sorry sir oh, yes so sorry yeah uh, combination of existing localization method including RF-based localization. Mobile ad hoc network security challenges are infrastructure less architecture, security imperative, and dynamic topology. Its core components are the enhanced mobile ad hoc network dictation and localization system combine advanced algorithm with the machine learning to improve node dictation reliability while with reducing network overhead. Predictive analytics forecast node movement patterns using the historical data and contextual information, enabling productive failure detection. Machine learning, employer reinforcement learning for the decision making, and supervised learning to classify normal versus abnormal node behavior. And third one is hybrid localization, combine RF based signals with GPS assistant techniques to enhance the position accuracy and dictation uh, precision. Pre-adaptive analytics framework. There are two framework: historical pattern analysis and failure forecasting. Examine historical movement pattern to identify the trends and predict future node positions. Contextual data, including environmental factor and network condition, inform predictions. Failure in forecasting, that's analysis module user movement pattern, current circumstances to anticipate potential node failure before they occur, reducing network disruption. Machine learning integration, there are three integration I mentioned: reinforcement learning, enhanced decision making when restoring communication with potentially missing nodes through trial and error optimization. Supervised classification categorizes node behavior as a normal or abnormal, aiding rapid identification of failure and malfunctions. Third is adaptive precision, continuously improve the node status evaluation accuracy as the system learn from new network conditions. Next, hybrid localization techniques. Uh, I work on two techniques: RF based localization and GPS assisted positioning. First one is user radio frequency signals to estimate node position through signal strength analysis and time of flight measurements. There is a three points: effective in GPS denied environment, lower power consumption, mesh network compatibility. GPS assistant positioning, there are utilize GPS data when available on dramatical increase location dictation accuracy and reduce localization error. High precision coordinate, global positioning capability, complementary RF method. There is system architecture. Yeah, data collection module. First is a data collection model. Gather node condition data including movement, pattern, connectivity status, and surrounding the environmental factors. Second one is analysis module. Employs machine learning techniques to investigate the node behavior and analyze accumulated data streams. Communication module. Third one is determine a node positioning, and facilitate the message of the network participation. Operational workflow that I describe in a 5 points: data gathering, pattern analysis, predictive modeling, classification, and status updates. Node continuously provide a status update including connective and localization and battery levels. Second, pattern analysis, historical movement pattern and current conditioning analyzed for the anomalies. Predictive modeling, forecast potentially node failure using the movement patterns and contextual data. Fourth one is classification. K means clustering group not based on a distance threshold of 50 units. State updates, status update, reachable if distance above is threshold, unreachable 0 if below threshold. Yeah, here is a graph. Node with the 50 unit reduced from the origin and mark reachable 1. Those outside for the failing the 5% of random probability. Check are mark unreachable as 0. Second graph is mentioned the significantly reduce the network overhead while maintaining high reliability through predictive analytics. A diagram showing the how it's combined three layers. First one is data collection, gathering location and battery level. Second one is predictive modeling, uses k-means clustering to categorize node behavior. Third one is communication layer, use RF based and GPS assist techniques to re-establish links. Simulation parameters, test environment and failure model. First we go for the test environment. Area is 100 by 100 grid with the coordinate system. Nodes 10 mobile nodes. Time steps is 10 simulation steps. Update frequency is 100 step per time increment. Failure model is unreachability rate is 5%, probability per node, movement, randomized direction update, classification, distance based threshold at 50 units. Current status is random simulation for the demonstration. Yeah, conclusion and future directions. Key achievement is that it's improve the node detection reliability whilst reducing network overhead through predictive analytics and machine learning integration. Yeah, current implementation of this is basic k-means clustering used for the demonstration. Require advanced ML algorithm from MATLAB machine learning toolbox. Future enhancement is sophisticated predictive analytics, environmental impact simulation, enhance the visualization tools, real routing protocol like DSR, AODV, DSDV, and TORA. Thank you, sir. Uh, Thank you very much.